I've heard how Twitter can be a great professional learning network tool. Through twitter.com, you can find educators, great educators like Derek Hatch, and click on the follow button to follow him. You'll see how he's got his profile, a picture of himself, and a little bit of information about himself. We encourage you to do that. But where Twitter really takes off as a professional learning tool, in my view, is when you use another tool to help organize those tweets from the different people that you follow or different ideas. Enter a tool like Hootsuite. So through Hootsuite.com, where you can connect your Twitter account to Hootsuite as well as other social media networks. But once you've connected your Twitter account to Hootsuite, what you're able to do is to create streams. And so this is great for people that you follow. Your home stream will show up and it will show you all the different individuals that you follow in the tweets, the mentions, anytime your name is mentioned, all the tweets you've sent as well. But where Twitter really takes off, in my view, is when you start to follow ideas and you've seen these hashtag symbols around. So let's say, for example, I choose to add a stream, go to a search term, and let's enter in hashtag ECSD lead, which is the hashtag we used recently at a PD event for the assistant principals. So now we can see anybody who posts a tweet with the ECSD lead hashtag, those tweets are now seen there. So it becomes a really great way to follow ideas versus just people. And there's some, you can see George Couros and several educators from Edmonton Catholic who are now tweeting to that hashtag. There are several other hashtags that we encourage you to use that have an educational following. There's EdChat is a great one. AB Ed is Alberta Ed. EdTech, of course. CP Chat is Connected Principals Chat. iPad Ed for those of you implementing iPads, or the Ed app is another one where you can see educational apps. There are quite a few people who post to the ECSD hashtag. For learning coaches out there, the EduCoach might be good. New teachers on staff, NT Chat. And there are other chats like Science Chat, Math Chat, and several others out there. And what you'll notice on Hootsuite is you see some people will be posting to, um, when they make a post in one, with one hashtag, they'll put several different hashtags on there. So it can be a great way of finding new hashtags. And when you see somebody that whose tweets you like, you can click on their profile and click follow to follow that person, and they can now become part of your professional learning network. So use a tool like Hootsuite in combination with your Twitter account to then add streams of different hashtags that you can follow and learn about. Hootsuite has a great, through the Hootsuite.com website, great web app, but it also has some great apps for iOS, such as iPhone and iPad. So we encourage you to start tweeting today.